Thutha wa ihinda iraya rĩa mateta na kũruta mĩkana ya kũiga mĩro-thĩ, rĩu Arutani na aruti a wĩra yunivasĩtĩ-inĩ ya Egerton, Njoro, kaunti-ini ya Naikuru nĩ manĩrĩire mũthĩ wa mwambiririo kiumia gĩũkĩte arĩguo mũthĩ ũrĩa makanjĩrĩria mũgomo wao. Arutani na aruti a wĩra aya makoretwo kwa ihinda magĩtetia kũrengwo kwa mĩcara yao kuma gũtuthũka gwa kĩng'ũki gĩa COVID-19 mĩaka ĩrĩ mĩhĩtũku, ũndũ ũmwe na gũthingatithio kwa ũiguano wa ũruti wa wĩra wa gatagatĩ ka mwaka wa 2017 na mwaka wa 2022.
Kwa nini chuo kikuu cha Egerton kimedorora kiwango hiki kwamba hakimlipi mfanyakazi leo? Asilimia ambayo tunalipwa imegeuza wafanyakazi hao kuwa wachochole tu. Bwana hawa wanafungiwa nyumba, hawa bwana hawezi kujumudu. Itakuwa ni mfanyakazi wa namna gani?
I'm surprised for that long that the council and the university management still thinks that there is work going on in Egerton with workers who are not paid. Any properly thinking person should know that somebody could be just hanging their coat somewhere, and we don't want to continue hanging our coats on our desks.
Bakiaria thukuru-ini uyu muthi Arutani aya na areni a kiama kia UASU hamwe na aruti a wĩra rungu rwa kiama gĩa KUSU maugĩte wona thirikari o ũndũ ũmwe na ũrũgamĩrĩri wa thukuru uyu maga gũtuithania ndũgamo ĩno magakorwo makĩiga mĩro yao thĩ kwanjĩrĩria mũthĩ wa mbere kiumia gĩũkĩte.
We have been talking with the employer. We have raised them with the university management board and also with the council severally, and they have not given us satisfactory answers. Therefore, this picketing is simply for gearing up to that major event that will lead to us withdrawing our labor in total.
It is not possible that somebody holds money and does not tell you where it is going, yet you are not paid for months on end. Now we are talking of years on end. We are simply saying that we support our KUSU friends, and on Monday we shall also be launching our strike.
Tongoria na mathomo thukuru-ini uyu wa Egerton ũkoretwo ũgĩthingitha mahinda kwa mahinda, ũndũ ũrĩa rĩu waya gũtiga arutwo matarĩ na wĩkĩro tiga gũcoka na mĩciĩ yao.
We feel bad because we are the only government employees who are earning less than what is in their contractual agreements. We also feel bad because there has been a lot of disobeying of court orders and court adjudicated processes and making the work environment toxic.
Tunaomba serikali livalie njuga swala la chuo kikuu cha Egerton. Tafuta kafilisi nani chuo hiki? Mbona chuo kilikuwa kizuri tu? Mbona tunaishi katika mambo ambayo ni aibu namna hii?
Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma thukuru-ini wa Egerton gĩcigo mbunge kia Njoro kaunti ya Naikuru, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ wa ng'ombe wa Maina.